Hello everyone! Today, I want to share an amazing and simple method to get rid of pests on your plants. You don't need to be a professional gardener to succeed, and this natural solution is very effective. All you need is some mouthwash. So, let's dive in and see how it can help you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Firstly, apply mouthwash to the plants by spraying or soaking the affected areas. Make sure to cover the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, and roots. The mouthwash will not only kill the pests, but also provide essential nutrients to the plant, making it healthier overall. Now, there are a few reasons why mouthwash is an excellent choice for pest control. 1. Mouthwash contains natural ingredients like hydrogen peroxide and citric acid, which are powerful deterrents for insects and fungi. These chemicals disrupt their nervous systems and cause them to lose coordination, leading to death. 2. Mouthwash is safe for the environment and beneficial insects like bees, butterflies, and ladybugs. It doesn't harm them, so it's a safe alternative to chemical pesticides. 3. It's easy to use and accessible. You can find mouthwash in your kitchen or garden area, making it a convenient solution for combating pests on your plants. 4. It doesn't cost much, in contrast to commercial pesticides. Applying mouthwash is much more affordable and environmentally friendly. So, next time you find yourself dealing with pests on your plants, give this natural solution a try. Not only will it help you save money, but it will also promote a healthier environment for your plants and the ecosystem. Remember, the power of mouthwash is just waiting to be discovered.